And all these lame people spitting lame ass shit, but I don't really care. Why? Cause they just asking questions. Why? Go raise your glass, raise your hand, raise your ass now. We racing fast pacing trash, drop it back down. You're a face man for a smile, girl, swap that frown now. Yeah, swap that frown now. You see, I wanna see you smile, I wanna see you get wild. She spicy as some hot sauce, don't tell her be loud. Smoking tree until we can't walk on, yo, that's a green mile. Hey. And I'm a king that just wants to be big. Tom Hanks, y'all skanks wanna see me go in, well okay. Just don't be on that bullshit like Olay. You take your childhood, then you parlay that into the music and laugh at your pain. Thinking of back in the day, I see your ass and it's like, hey, can I hit it in the morning like Sway? Or someone just passed away, y'all don't get it, okay. Well let me move on, keep move on. Yeah, music can make you wanna get naked and start moving. Yeah, so come back around, let me see you. I'm glad you back in town, yeah. The same old people say the same old shit, and all these lame people spitting lame ass shit, but I don't really care. Why? Cause they just asking questions. It's like the same old people say the same old shit, and all these lame people spitting lame ass shit, but I don't really care. Why? They just asking questions. Why?
One question, can we just all get along? Smoke a blunt with me, baby, yeah, this your motherfucking song. Some of the OE, while I proceed to roll G's with the OGs. Yeah, you know me, I keep it low key to the flow beat. Sometimes I wonder what it would be like to be me. But really, who fucking cares? But people always tell me that I need to slow it down. But let me think, fuck that, this is how I started out. Remember back in the day when Andre and Bone Thugs would spit the caliente to make your dome numb. I'm only trying to help, girl, Alice, don't run. We took so much acid, I'm just surprised we ain't go nuts. The mushrooms must do a lot of damage, can't understand it. I only consumed enough shrooms to leave the planet.